So smart home automation. So we can control the electrical appliances in our home like fan, light, etc. from anywhere from the world by using the mobile application via internet. So this is the application of this project. So we are going to control the electrical devices in our home like fan, light, etc. by using the mobile application through internet. So since we are using the internet cloud, we can control the appliances from anywhere from the world. So let us see the project components first. It consists of Wi-Fi microcontroller board. So this is the brain of the system responsible for controlling the appliances. Also it will connect to the internet directly by the Wi-Fi module integrated in this controller. Battery and switch. We have the two 9V batteries connected so that the ampere rating will be high. The battery is connected to the board via switch and battery is connected to the relay through voltage regulator. So this is the voltage regulator. Through voltage regulator, battery is connected to the relay. And this is a power box. It has one 2-pin socket, power indicator and lamp. And this is the mobile application we are going to use for controlling the appliances. So by using this project, we can control the electrical appliances in our home from anywhere from the world through internet using mobile application. So now let us test the project. So first I am going to turn on the AC supply so that the AC indicator is glowing. So the AC power supply is given to the power box, and then I have to turn on the power to the circuit. So the power to the circuit is turned on. So this is the power LED used for identifying the circuit is turned on or not, and then I need to start the application. So the application is started. So now we can control the appliances from anywhere. So now by using this mobile application, we can control the appliances, and also we can get the feedback whether the appliance is turned on or turned off. So for example, you can see the feedback light is off. I just turning on the light, and you can see the feedback light is on. This signal will be little bit delay because after the hardware is turned on from the board, this signal, feedback signal, will be given to the application so that we can also make sure the appliance is turned on. So this is a feedback coming from the hardware after doing the assigned task, that is turning on the electrical appliances. Next I am going to turn on the fan. So now the fan is turned on. I have given the power socket for the fan, so I can test whether the power is coming or not. So I am just going to use the tester to test whether the power is coming or not. So I can see the power is coming in the tester. So the fan is turned on. So now let us turn off the device. So first I am going to turn off the fan. So the fan is turned off. Yes, the feedback is arrived. So now we can test. There is no power indication. So you can check. There is no power indication. We need to use the phase and neutral. We have to change over. And next I am going to turn off the lamp. So I am going to turn off the lamp. So the lamp is turned off and the feedback will come to the mobile application from the hardware. So this is how we can control the home appliances from anywhere from the world by using the mobile application through internet. So this is the project for Kidstronics. So now we can turn off the devices. So the power to the circuit is removed and the power to the AC is removed. Thanks for watching.